Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Asad International Academy. Today I am going to clearly explain that about the topic hypothesis testing. What is the critical values? What is level of significance? What is level of confidence? So without wasting any time, let's start the lecture. So here first of all, what are the critical values? You can easily make the definition. The values that separates the values that separates the rejection region from acceptance region are called as critical values. Let's suppose that I take an example here. First we'll take a normal distribution, and this point is, let's suppose that 1.65, and this point is here minus 1.65 according to real line. Must remember that this inner part is the acceptance region. Acceptance region, and must remember that this portion is the rejection region. This outside is the rejection region, and also this outside is the rejection region. So here, what are the values which are the critical values? The values, let's suppose that 1.65 and minus 1.65, these are the values that separates the rejection region from acceptance region. You can note that acceptance region and rejection regions are separate. So these values that separates the rejection region from acceptance region are called as critical values. I hope that you are clear the concept about this. Now I'm going to move the level of significance. What is the level of significance? Very easiest definition here. Probability of making type first error is called as level of significance. It is, you can show that probability of making type first error is always equal to level of significance. It is always denoted by alpha. I must remember that most common values of alpha are 5%, or you can say that 0.05, and 1%, you can say that 0.01. So I hope that clear point. Type probability of making type first error, which is noted by alpha, is called as level of significance, and most common values are here 5% and 1%. Now I'm going to move the last topic, which is the level of confidence. What is the level of confidence? Very easiest definition here. Probability of the interval lower, L shows here lower and U shows here upper. So here probability of the interval lower upper containing the population parameter theta, theta, which is called as, you can say that is 1 minus alpha. So here must remember that level of confidence is equal to 1 minus alpha, and you can write here probability of theta lies between lower and upper is always equal to 1 minus alpha. So here probability of the interval L shows here lower and U shows here upper interval, lower interval, you can say that. So here probability of the interval lower upper containing the population parameter theta, this is equal to 1 minus alpha. So here level of significance is denoted by alpha and level of confidence is denoted by 1 minus alpha. I hope that you are clear the concepts about that, what are the critical values, what is the level of significance, and what is the level of confidence. Also share this lecture with your classmates and friends so that they also have a benefit of it, and don't forget to like and subscribe this video, and more lectures are coming soon. Goodbye.